All right. Tracing the radiant circuits. We'll start with central and governing. We'll go with governing up the back, nice and slow, right around the first energy center. Slowly rising all the way up, very slowly, maybe massaging the Mingmen point a little bit around the third energy center. Coming up and catching it. And then coming all the way up to your mouth and locking it in. And the same thing on the front, central. Either make an intention similar to pushing in or slightly pressing in. And then once you're up by your belly button, you can speed it up a little bit all the way to the mouth and locking it in. 2 more just like that. Oh, governing. Time for central. Coming up. Central. Yeah, central. Yeah. Lock it in. Oh, yeah, it's locked. One last governing. Catching it and lock and load. And central. And now moving into the heart hookup. Left hand on the chest, either palming or cupping, and either middle finger on the top of your head or the whole palm on your forehead. And you can either go with any normal breath with your tongue on the roof of your mouth, in and out your nostrils, or you can practice Uaji breath, the Darth Vader ocean-like breath. And now we'll move into the 2 middle fingers on the chin, working the vagus nerve. This was great sat down or laid down before bed as well. Excrement, that was beautiful. Oh, that was good. Oh, that was good. Oh, so good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna spew out the venom. Here comes the venom. So you go inhale up and exhale down. Expelling the venom. Oh yeah. Oh. Last one. Oh yeah. Oh, the venom's expelled. Oh. Now we'll go reverse on triple warmer. Pinky on the opposite eyebrow. Around the back of the ear. Down around back of the shoulder. Down the arm and off the second finger, the ring finger. And 2 more, just like that. Reverse on triple warmer. Off the ring finger. Oh, yeah, the ring. Oh, the ring finger. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And when you're ready, move on over, rocking on over. Move over to the other side and reverse that triple warmer. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And one last one. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Excellent. So now we'll do spleen. We'll go reverse on spleen and then spleen 3 times. So just below your chest, slightly pushing in or with intent. Make some figure 8s up into the armpit, outside on the torso, inside on the leg, and off between the big toe and the second toe, and flick your hands 3 times. Oh, oh, oh. And now up 3 times on spleen, just like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. That was good. That's one. Couple more. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. And you can do this if you have a bad back with strictly intention, just pulling the energy up, and then slightly making the movement with your mind and maybe a little bit with the physical body. All right, moving into the regulators. Oh, 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 oh. Regulators, regulators. Hard on the face. Oh, hard on the face. Oh, yeah, hard on. Oh, 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 oh. Stretch your neck. Oh, yeah, stretching the throat. Oh, oh, oh. Then moving down to a little bit of I Dream a Genie. We'll work the Bewitched here. Ding, ding, ding. Twinkle the nose a little. Do a little blink. Get a little freaky deaky. Oh, that was great. Now we'll move down. Outside of the torso. Outside the legs. Moving to the tops of the feet. Grabbing the tops of the feet and squeezing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Now back to the big toe, and you guessed it. Trace that spleen, yo. Oh, yeah, tracing it. Oh, the spleen's been traced. Oh, yeah, so good. Yeah, 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 yeah. Good job, good job. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Better than good. That was excellent. All right. All right. Moving into inhaling. And we're going to do 9 hearts. So we'll do 3 on the face, 3 on the torso, and then 3 full body. So 9 hearts. Let's go. 1 heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that's good. 3 of them. 3 on the torso. Oh, 1, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah, yeah. Now, 3 full body all the way down. Oh, that's 9 hearts. Oh, oh, oh. This is a good 9 hearts. Oh, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, it's a good 9 hearts. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Now we'll go with the backwards of the genie arms, the yang energy, the hairy part of the arms. Slowly move in. And bingo bango. Now we'll move to the second finger, placing it just below your belly button and twisting it ever so slightly. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, 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 yeah. Arms on the torso, down the back, and coming all the way down the legs. And we're grabbing the Achilles tendon. This is good for anyone and everyone, unless you're pregnant. And if you're pregnant, don't be at it. Don't squeeze this tendon. And then take it around to the front and trace your spleen. Come on up. And we're ready to rock and roll into the regulators. Hands behind your head. Coming around to the front, a little counterclockwise motion there. And then placing your hands on your forehead and your eyes. Slight crown pull. And then move your hands in to your eyes, under your eyes. Down to your chin. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. And then down to your K27, the collarbone. Yeah, 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 yeah. couple little taps. That's great. Move down outside the torso. Yeah. Inside the legs and grab the arch of your foot right in the middle of your foot. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. And on your next exhale, slowly rise up. And then on your next exhale, release. And trace, do some figure of eights just behind your legs the whole way up. About 4 inches apart until you get all the way up. Beautiful. Yeah. Great job. Now we'll do a backward Z, figure of eights, with either your whole hand or a couple of fingers. And then once you have your backward Z completed, jump or step into the backward Z. Ooh, yeah. Freaky and deaky. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Now, next one is knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. So we're going to get the booty slaps in. Right here. We go. And if it feels good, do it. Even if you shouldn't. So pick it up a little bit. Woo! Oh, yeah. Knocking on heaven's door. Now, slow her back down a bit. And that's knocking on heaven's door. Good job. All right, moving into bridge flow. And bridge flow starts behind the back on the Migman point, right behind the belly button. You can massage it a little bit. Feels good. Then move all the way down to the first energy center, down by the perineum. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then coming back up right around the second energy center, right around the hips. And then moving it all the way around to the front. Good. And then down again by the pubic bone and the perineum. Oh, yeah. And then moving all the way up. And we're going to do 3 hearts. And then ending on the 3rd heart, we're going to cup our hands on our mouth. And puff your cheeks. And then cup your hands on your mouth. Cup your hands on, put them on your chest, and feel your aura grow. It's a very powerful and strong presence from that one. Letting your aura grow. Yeah. All right, that's it for penetrating flow. Now we're going to move into the belt flow. So we'll just do 5 on each side. Take a hand, put it behind, back on your spine. And then the other one over on your side. And then come all the way around to the opposite leg. And this is having one hand above the belly button and one below. And this will connect your 2nd and 3rd energy centers, which connect you with joy, happiness, and being whatever weirdo you are. Yeah. Super playful, super joyful. Oh, yeah. Moving down then on that leg and taking it off the pinky toe. And then never missing an opportunity getting by that big toe and tracing that spleen up. Oh, yeah. And then moving to the other side. Yeah. Other side. Oh, yes. That feels so good. Oh, yeah. coming down off the pinky. And never missing an opportunity for that spleen trace. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Heart hook up again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Satellite radio. Y'all go crazy for the heart. Hook up. Oh, oh, oh. All right, back to central and governing to close out. Coming up the back. Lock it in. Oh, 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 oh. Oh yeah, home so good. Home so good. Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Lock it in. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. All right, last one. Last central and governing. Here we go. And your last central to get it done. Get it done. Oh yeah. Oh, 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 oh. And that's it. Tracing the radius circuits. Bye-bye. Namaste.